I'm Mike from Planet, Switzerland, and it's my pleasure to be here and present our products at the fire safety event on the stand of Lorient, for Sealing Systems UK. And we are launching now the brand Planet in addition to the Lorient seals, and we are presenting here our USP products. One of it is our Planet US. This means it's an ultra slim product. You can see it from the side. It's only 8 millimeters in the wide, and this is perfect to build a narrow door or maybe a double leaf door with a flush bolt next to the seal. Yeah. Um, the next one is our SN, our sliding solution. The SN drop-down seal. This is a patent product from Switzerland, from Planet, and this works with zero force release. That means you close the door, with zero force release. You don't need a holding device or lock to hold the sliding door in the end position. It works over the floor guide. This is the release function. This is a very interesting product.